Minister of Civil Aviation Praful Patel has reacted to the late action taken by Continental Airlines in the former President Kalam frisking case. Patel said that on 10th July itself, a show cause notice was issued to Continental Airlines, adding that the matter was being looked into by the DCAS.
महीने पहले पता था कि कलाम साहब के साथ ऐसा हुआ है और उस समय सरकार ने कोई कदम क्यों नहीं उठाया?
दूसरा क्वेश्चन पूछिए। चलिए, सरकार ने जो भी कदम उठाने थे वो ब्यूरो ऑफ सिविल एविएशन सिक्योरिटी ने समय पर ये जानकारी प्राप्त होते ही पहले इंक्वायरी की। प्रिलिमिनरी इंक्वायरी के बाद शो कॉज नोटिस 9 जुलाई को दिया गया और उसके पश्चात कल एफआईआर दर्ज किया गया है। तो इसमें अब कोई कानूनी कार्रवाई जो अब है वो आगे उसका मतलब काम करेगी।
सर माफी
एक आदमी पूछो ना यार।
सर माफी मांगने के बाद भी क्या आप लोग कानूनी कार्रवाई चलती रहेगी कॉन्टिनेंटल एयरलाइंस के खिलाफ?
मुझे अभी जानकारी नहीं है कि माफी मांगी है या नहीं और उसके पश्चात अब आगे का सरकार विचार करेगी अभी आगे क्या करना। आई हैव नो आइडिया। आई कैन नॉट गिव यू एन आंसर बेस्ड ऑन हाइपोथेटिकल क्वेश्चन।
So what is the subject of discussions with the Prime Minister yesterday evening, sir? You met the Prime Minister yesterday evening, sir.
Well, I am worked in the Council of Ministers of the Prime Minister, and therefore it is necessary that I meet him from time to time. Does it not mean that
Discuss Air India?
or what? No, I think what has been done was done in accordance with procedure. You cannot just simply go and give a notice to anybody without following a due process. And for preliminary inquiry, then a show cause notice. Sorry to say that all this came to public domain yesterday morning. The show cause notice was issued much before that. Everything is not the ministry, right? There's a Bureau of Civil Aviation Security which was doing its job, whatever was necessary, and that is why I said yesterday was only the 21st of July. The show cause notice had been issued already on the 9th of July. It shows that before that a preliminary inquiry took place, and based on that, further action is being contemplated. Now let us not go into say Well, the DGCA has its guidelines on pilots who have tested alcohol positive, and I'm sure they are taking action in accordance with their regulations. My information is that when a pilot tests alcohol positive, he is grounded immediately for 6 weeks. So I'm sure that itself is a punishment enough. And when you say alcohol positive, he doesn't come in a drunken state to the plane. He comes where he has had alcohol beyond prescribed limits in the preceding 12 hours.
One at a time, please.
Any comment on the restructuring plans for Air India?
No, Air India will be restructured financially, organizationally, and I am very confident that we will be able to come out of this current problem and we will prove all the skeptics and critics wrong.
So what has been the response of Mr. Ratan Tata? So what is the response of Mr. Ratan Tata?
Well, Shikha is on the phone line with us from Delhi with more details on that comment coming in. Shikha, we just heard Praful Patel say that the Civil Aviation Ministry had acted swiftly in this matter and that it was the airline that was late to react.
Niharika, we put the question forward to the Civil Aviation Ministry if they were aware of this incident, not just yesterday, but at the time that it happened. Because what we are getting to know, what we got to know earlier was the fact that the Civil Aviation Ministry was very well aware about the fact that such an incident had taken place on the 21st of April. So the minister today accepting, yes, that they did know about it, but defending the fact that action came late, saying that there is a procedure in place and this procedure is followed after a preliminary report is filed. And he said that following that, preliminary report that was sent to the DCAS. They filed a show cause notice on the 9th of July. So the important thing, Niharika, is that yes, they are accepting that they were aware that such an incident has happened. So the next question, of course, is then why did action come so late? At least as far as the FIR is concerned. You do know that only after this entire incident spilled over to the public domain that we heard the Civil Aviation Minister say that show cause notice had been sent to the airline, and that he would take action, stringent action would be taken if any wrong has been found on part of the airline. But this FIR, which was only announced yesterday, so it just seems that only once the incident came to light, that is that it came to public domain, did the ministry actually get around to sort of holding the airline accountable.